Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about Instagram IGTV. You might be wondering what is IGTV. IGTV simply stands for what? Instagram TV. It's just like creating a channel on your Instagram account, just the way you see people have a YouTube channel where they can go and upload their content, you understand, and showcase their business. Instagram has brought out a feature called IGTV that allows you to upload or create a channel for yourself, but this time around it's only going to be within your Instagram account, you understand. It's going to be within the Instagram platform, you understand. So it allows you to create a channel where you can post your contents and whatever. And with IGTV allows you to upload videos that ranges from 15 seconds to 1 hour, although most users are limited to just 10 minutes alone. But by Instagram standard, it was 60 seconds, but currently now most users are allowed to upload video of up to 10 minutes in length, you understand. Except probably when you're growing, keep growing upper and upper. When you start getting growing, your brand is growing, getting more following, and then Instagram is going to increase the length at which you can upload a video. But currently now most users are just limited to 10 minutes alone, you understand. IGTV can really do a lot of you can showcase your services, you can whatever you want to do. It helps you, it can boost your business. Maybe if you want to upload a step-by-step tutorials or different, you understand what I'm saying. So I will show you how you can go about creating an IGTV. So an IGTV is just like the way you create a YouTube channel, you understand, just that in this area is you're creating it on Instagram, you understand. So I'll show you how you can go about creating an IGTV, and it's very, very simple to do. So make sure that first that your Instagram account is updated to the current version of Instagram. You have to make sure you have updated your Instagram app, you understand. So if you're using an Android, you go to the App Store and update it. If you're using an iOS, that is an Apple phone, you go to the App Store and update it. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, just click on the IGTV. You can see it here. This is the IGTV sign. So once you're here, all you have to just do is click on the gear button, and then you click on create channel, and then it's gonna bring up this pop-up for you that says IGTV is a new space to be creative and engage your audience with longer video. So all you have to just do is tap on next, and then click on next. Then click create channel. So you see we have just created our channel, and we can type here.
What was your story before you made it in life? So what did you now have?
So at any time
did you use pants to
upload a video to your IGTV channel?
So how did you buy that your best car and that your big mansion that you
understand? Then you upload it. So let's say in this case we'll upload this video, and then once you upload that, you then tap next.
So I'll be showing you how you can go about
and then you can put in the title, like let's say in this case how to change your Instagram account, how to change your Instagram account to business. Okay, let's say how to get a business Instagram account. So you in this video I will be showing you how you can change your personal Instagram account to a business account. And so you can fill everything, you put in the description and stuff like that, and whatever it is that you want to do, you fill it the way you want. If you want to share it on Facebook, you can also do that, you understand. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on if you click make visible on Facebook, it means that your friends, you need to connect your Facebook to your what Instagram what profile, and whenever you post, it's gonna show on your what Instagram on your Facebook feed. So all you have to just do after when you're done, all you just need to do is click on what posts like this.
What will you say before? Burna Boy, you're another person that has stupid money. My friend, don't tell me that.
You can just go to your profile, so you just need to refresh and you're gonna see it. So you can see the IGTV here or IGTV here, you understand? So that's how easy it is to what go about what creating what your what IG what TV. Is very simple. It's not something difficult. It's as easy as what ABC. It's not something that you need to go through a lot of hustles. So to subscribe to my YouTube channel, once you're on any of my video, all you just need to do is tap on the subscribe button like this, and then you click on the bell bar like this, so that you will be notified whenever I make an upload. So that's how you can go about what subscribing to my YouTube channel. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe right away. Thank you.